Hey there folks, my name is Saul and I'm here at Autotek, and today we're going to talk to you a little bit about keeping these cars on the highway, but also what happens if you don't want it on the highway. Let's take a look at this 2020 Subaru that came in and asked for a little bit of a lift kit, some beefier tires, and to be able to really handle the trails a little bit better. Now, we know that this isn't going to be your same Jeep replacement, and this isn't going to be able to get you 100 miles into the backcountry as we might like it to. However, these Subarus are becoming more and more popular as folks are seeking to expand on a single vehicle family. Now, we know that costs on new cars are expensive, so let's talk about finding a good middle ground. If you want balance, we can definitely help you find it. If your goal is a reliable vehicle, but you're not looking to break the bank, maybe you don't need a $60,000 Jeep. Maybe a $32,000 Subaru that's been modified with some appropriate suspension enhancements is just what you're looking for. So if you've got a Subaru and you're looking to make it down to the trailhead and you don't want to break the bank, come and see us down here at Autotek. We can give you plenty of options on food for thought suggestions, ideas, installation, or whole overlanding packages. So if you'd like to get yours out on the trail, you don't want to break the bank, but you do want to make sure you're reliable, come see the mechanics who've been outfitting vehicles for overlanding use for over 30 years. Whether you want our expertise on what we do with our own vehicles, or you'd like to see what we can do with yours, let's talk about keeping you safe in the woods, keeping your family out there having fun, and making sure you can do it for as long as possible. Autotek is open 365 days a year because we know that you like to be out in the woods every day of the year. 303-290-9900.